Studies have shown that over 67% of businesses experience data loss due to hardware failure and cannot recover their complete data. DEC Alpha servers are causing performance challenges and pose risks to your business continuity. Challenges like expensive replacement parts due to hardware obsolescence, loss of productivity and unexpected outages due to hardware failures, outdated security infrastructure and limited scalability restrict business growth, workflow inefficiencies due to integration challenges with modern technologies, limited technical assistance due to end-of-life support policies. Charon AXP is the one-stop solution for your aging DEC Alpha servers. It mimics the environment of the existing hardware on modern systems, allowing your business to seamlessly run legacy applications like OpenVMS and Tru64 Unix operating systems. By integrating Charon AXP, businesses can improve their operational performance due to its scalability, flexibility, and reliability. Cut down on their additional maintenance costs. It requires zero code modification, ensuring risk-free migration. Available for both on-premises and cloud environments. It allows seamless integration with new advanced technologies. Enhanced security framework that meets modern compliance standards to protect critical data. EIS Wire and Cable, a manufacturer of instruments and control cables, encountered critical operational challenges with their Alpha server ES40. Charon AXP reduced MRP processing from 15 minutes to under 1 minute, eliminated their critical single point of failure, and avoided costly ERP migration. Don't wait for the outdated Alpha hardware to fail. Learn how Charon AXP can ensure business continuity while saving millions of dollars on maintenance costs. For more details, visit www.stromasys.com.